Hi everyone, it's Kokoben right here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm basically going to be showing you how I was able to cut a trade that made me 60 USD using this simple strategy. Please, if it is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload content, you will be notified. So the trade is actually on a GBP CHF. And what I basically do is I came over to GBP So the first thing is I try to do top down analysis, and I come on daily time frame to see the overall trend of the market, right? So as you can see, this market was obviously in the bullish trend because this market was making a higher high, a higher low, high, low, and high. So instead of this market to come back and give us another higher low, the market broke to the downside. So when I noticed that the market broke to the downside, I know that okay, this market is going to come back and retest this level before hitting to the downside. And at the same time, if the market did not respect this area, it has to break above and then retest back to this area and then boom to the upside. So let's go on 4-hour time frame to see it clearly, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that I mark out my zone, which is a very solid zone because of a resistance here, a resistance here, a support, and then the potential support that was going to create. This is where I was waiting for price. Once I noticed that the price have broke to the upside, so I waited for price to come back and retest this area so that I can add other confluences like chart patterns and also round psychological level in order to take the trade to the upside, right? So as you can see, immediately the price got to this area, to my zone right here. So I scaled down to 1-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame to see other confirmation, right? So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that the market create a kind of uh, a double button, but you can see the double button clearly on the 15-minute time frame, right? So let's see our 15-minute time frame. So when you see this 15-minute time frame, you can see that a clear head and shoulder pattern is there. Let's say this is the left shoulder, this is the head, another one, right? So but then what I was waiting for is once I noticed that okay, the inverse head and shoulder have formed on this area, what I do is I have to wait for another confirmation, which is going to be a bullish engulfing candlestick. So I waited for a bullish engulfing candlestick to form right here, and as you can see on our 1-hour time frame, you can see that the bullish engulfing candlestick formed over there. All right, so I took my trade right here, but you see that the market nearly took me out. It came very close to hit me out, but eventually it respected this zone and then go to the upside and hit my TP, right? So what I basically use here is just my zones. I draw my zone, a very solid zone on the 4-hour time frame, right? So looking at it here, you can see that this zone has multiple touches. I have a kind of resistance, a resistance, support, support, and then the potential support that was creating right here. So I know that this zone is going to be a valid zone. So at the same time, there was a kind of round psychological level at that area. Let's see. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. So those are the reasons why I was able to take the trade long. I use psychological level. I told you guys that psychological levels are where bankers take their trades, right? They are kind of round numbers where take their trade, right? So I use psychological level right there, and I also use chart pattern, and you can see this beautiful trade play out well. It has hit my stop, my take profit right there. Okay, so what I use is about is 1:2. I risk 26.9, that is 27 pips to get 53 pips. So that is 1:2 risk to reward, and you can see that the trade play out well, right? So I hope this video is useful. Please do hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload content, you'll be notified. Thank you guys.